Now let us see the feminine words which are used in Hindi. Okay, I have already told you the living things, non-living things, that also. Then the feelings, okay, adjectives also comes under this masculine and feminine. Okay, comes under this masculine and feminine. Now let us see some feminine words. Okay, the first one is aag. The first one is aag, fire. Okay, aag, fire comes under this feminine words. Aag. Okay, don't touch the fire. आग को मत छुओ. Then आवाज. आवाज is sound. This also comes under this category feminine. Okay, sound. मेरी आवाज बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत अच्छा है. The sound of mine is very beautiful. Then imarat. Imarat is here building. We have to classify that घर मकान. Okay, घर मकान house is comes under masculine, but the building, okay, imarat comes under this feminine. Okay, we have to clearly know that. Then kalam. Kalam is pen. मेज पर कलम है. मेज पर कलम है means there is a pen on the table. Then kitab. Kitab. Kitab means book. This also comes under feminine. मुझे एक किताब की आवश्यकता है. मुझे एक किताब की आवश्यकता है. I want a book. I want a book. कुर्सी. Kursi means chair. This also comes under feminine. Okay, this is a non-living thing. Non-living things. This also comes under feminine. Kursi par baito. Sit on the chair. Then kushi. See here the qualities, the feelings. The qualities, the feelings. This also comes under feminine. Kushi. आपको मिलकर मुझे खुशी हुई. आपको मिलकर मुझे खुशी हुई means I feel very happy while I met you. Then गर्मी. गर्मी is summer hot. गर्मी के समय नारियल की पानी पीना चाहिए. गर्मी के समय नारियल की पानी पीना चाहिए. In the summer season we have to drink the coconut water, tender coconut. That is next gaadi. Gaadi is vehicle. Vehicle. We can take any type of vehicles. Okay, rail gaadi, bail gaadi. Okay, we can take any type of vehicle here. Gaadi means comes under feminine. Then gadi. Gadi is clock. This also comes under feminine. दीवार पर कड़ी है. The clock is on the wall. Then now going to the next one. Chandi. Chandi is silver. Chandi means silver. This also comes under feminine. मेरी चांदी की चूड़ी बहुत सुंदर है. बहुत सुंदर है means the bangle of silver is very beautiful. जहग. जहग means place. उसको रहने के लिए एक जहग चाहिए. Then नदी. नदी. नदी river. कावेरी नदी तिरछी में बहती है. The river Kaveri flows in the city Trichy. Chai. Okay, chai comes under feminine. Chai means tea. Okay, मुझे एक गरम मसाला टी, मसाला चाय चाहिए. I want a masala tea. Then खबर. खबर is news. खबर means news. आजकल मौत की खबर बहुत आती है. आती है. Okay. Then दवा. दवा is medicine. This also comes under feminine. मुझे सर्दी की दवा दो. मुझे सर्दी की दवा दो means I want a medicine for my cold. Then तारीख, तारीख is date. आज का तारीख क्या है? आज का तारीख क्या है means what is the date of today. Then police, police. Okay, here comes under the policeman, policeman, etc., etc. Police, police. This also comes under feminine. Okay. Then bhasha, bhasha means language. Bhasha is language. मुझे हिंदी हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा है. हिंदी हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा है. Then बात, बात means word, speech. Okay, मुझे बताओ, मुझे बताओ क्या हो रही है. क्या हो रही है means tell me what is going on. Okay, like that we have to make sentence. Now let us see once again. आग, fire, आवाज, sound, इमारत, building, कलम, pen, किताब, book, kursi, chair, again here खुशी, happy, गर्मी, summer, hot, गाड़ी, vehicle, घड़ी, clock. Then here we can see चांदी, चांदी means silver, जहग, place, नदी, river, चाय, tea, खबर, न्यूज़, दवा, मेडिसन, तारीख, डेट, पुलिस, पोलिस, भाषा, लैंग्वेज, बात, वर्ड और speech. Is it clear? I hope you understand.